Hello and welcome back to another weekend website course tutorial. Today I'm going to be walking you through something I set up on one of my lifestyle blog websites. So it's actually my blog website, theemeraldsofa.com, and I wanted to set up a store where I could link out to some affiliate products so I could use some of my affiliate links. But the issue with that is I wanted to use my own store because I have different products that come from different stores like Amazon, Target, different clothing sites. So there's something called Shop Style that's out there, and there's a few other places that kind of offer the same configuration. However, sometimes you can be limited to the stores that they have partnerships with. However, you can do this same exact thing inside of WordPress using WooCommerce. I just want to show you how I get that done without having to download or save a lot of the product images and manually upload those to my store. So I'm using a plugin called Feature Image from URL. What it does is I right click on the image I want to use, and I grab the address of that image or the URL of the image, and I put it in a spot, and it will generate the product image or a featured image for a blog post, pretty much any post type that has any type of feature image you can use this plugin on. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to go over to my website, The Emerald Sofa, which is a blog, and this is a shop I was telling you about. So I have products in here from different stores. So a lot of it is clothing, as you can see, but I also have some home stuff. All right, so I'm just going to go to one of the products randomly. All right, so this is one of the products. If you click on buy now, it is going to take you to this product on another website. So I'll just click that and just show you what that looks like. So it takes you here where you can buy the actual product. And I'm going to go back to my website. Now, the thing with this is, so I would have to save each product image and upload them. So I wanted to find a way around that, and using the using this plugin, I was able to get around that. So let me just show you exactly how that works. So I'm going to go over to Edit Product and just show you how I set this up. So just like any WooCommerce product, I gave this product a name, and then I made sure the product data was set under external or affiliate product, and then I put the URL to this product in the product URL box, and then of course the button text buy now. That's pretty much all that I do here. Since it's an external product, I don't have to do any of these other options over to the side. I don't do a description either. It's either you want it or you don't want it. So just moving along. So here you can see we have the product image. I'm going to move down the page a little bit more. All right, so here, once this plugin is installed, you'll have like a new little widget area where you can put this product image. So I'm just going to copy and paste this so I can just come back to it, and I'll just remove it for now. All right, so as you can see here, I removed the image, and so all I did was just copy and paste that URL. So let me actually just go over to the website. You can just see the process of me grabbing this URL from this image. And most sites will allow you to kind of grab that URL. So what I do is I just right click and I just do copy image address. And I go back over to my website, and under the product image area here, I just go ahead and put that URL, and then I click on preview. And you can even add a alt tag or title to this. So I'm actually going to do that just to make it a little bit more accessible, or in case images are not working for whatever reason on my website. And so that allows me to set this product image without having to save this image and upload it to my website. So now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and click on update. And that is all that is to that. So I am using Elementor to design the actual product page itself in the shop as well. I'm also using I believe it's Essential Add-ons, Elementor add-on that will allow you to kind of create like a carousel that I've kind of created. I'm going to go back to my shop and show you that carousel. All right, so this is a carousel I created using the Essential Add-ons plugin, which is like just an add-on to Elementor to give you some more features. And that is it. So thank you for checking out this tutorial. And I'll be back again next week with more. And I'll see you next time.